In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the Lists feature in NUITEQ Chorus. This feature will allow you to create lists of educational content such as lesson activities, PDFs, and audio or video recordings. Click on My Lesson Activities from your home screen and then choose Lists. Here you can see any lists you may have created in the past. Use the Create New List to build your list. Select a name for your list. To add a lesson activity to your list, find the activity in the My Lesson Activities dashboard and click on the More Options menu at the bottom right side of the thumbnail. Then select Add to List and tick the box of the list or lists you would like to add the lesson activity to. If you have not created a list already, you can do so by clicking on Create a New List. Once you have added one or more lesson activities to your list, you can go back to your list to edit. Below the list name, you will see the toolbar. Here, you can rename the list, edit the list, play randomized, and view more options. Choosing the Edit List option will open your edit screen. Here, you can reorder items on the list by clicking the cross arrows and dragging the item to a new position. For each item within the list, you can also choose more options to rename, send to students, save to the course community, remove the item from the list, download, or delete. Returning to the main list dashboard and selecting the More Options will open a toolbar allowing you to save your list to the course community, send the list to students, and edit the list info. Selecting Edit Info will open a pop-up in which you can add a list description, age group, subject, language, keywords, and relevant academic standards. Be sure to select Save Changes to save the information. The More Options menu also has a tool for adding audio recording. When selected, you can choose to record audio or upload audio from your computer. If choosing to record audio, select the red circle to begin recording. Then use the black square to stop recording. The play icon will illuminate green to preview the audio. If you are satisfied, select Save. For video recording, choose the Add Recorded Video option. Here you can choose to upload video from your computer hard drive or record your own video. Select the red circle to begin recording, followed by the black square to end the recording. Lists can also include PDFs. Select Add PDF to upload a PDF document from your computer hard drive to your list. Lists are a versatile way to teach educational content as it provides teachers with the ability to utilize different media.